Today we're tackling Elphaba from Wicked. Be sure to like and subscribe to see all the looks coming up next. Starting with some of my favorite contacts linked below, we'll be working with my absolute favorite brand, Graftobian. Begin with layering down a green body paint. While it's still wet, blend some of the white into the center of the forehead and blend out. Add the green down onto the face. Add white under the eyes and blend the edges. Add white around the mouth and blend. Paint the nose white, then tap out with a green brush to tint. Add green to the upper lids. Add concealer and white body paint under the eyes to intensify and, of course, blend. Carry the green onto the neck. Tap yellow body paint onto the white portions. Paint your ears green. Seal the green with a matching green shadow. Carry onto the white halfway. Powder to seal the neck. Seal with a translucent powder all over. Add white powder under the eyes and blend the edges. Add yellow shadow onto the white areas. Deepen the green area with a rich green shadow. Blend onto the inner corners up into the brows. Contour the nose with green. Add pink shadow to the apples of the cheeks and blend towards the temples. Add to the top of the nose and on the upper lids. Add cool green below the cheeks to carve out more. Contour the green area with cool green. Blend along the edges of the jaw. Drag below the chin. Add pearl shimmer to the inner half of your lids. Blend into the inner corners and along the inner crease. Blend a burgundy shadow on the outer half of your upper lid. Add green powder to the brow bone. Add pearl to the nose tip and bridge. Add shimmer to the brow bone and nostrils. Blend burgundy onto the lower lid. Add green to the outer half of your lid. Blend green on the lower lid. Add brown to deepen the crease. Add black liner thinly along the entire lid and thicker towards the outer corners. Blend black shadow lightly on the lower lid edge. Tap black shadow on the outer third of your lid. Add a muted dark green shadow to the brows and fill in evenly. Use the same muted green very lightly to contour the nose tip. Blend the muted green into the contours of the face and the neck. Add a bold upper lash. Coat with mascara. Blend black liner onto your lips. Define edges with black shadow. Seal all over with the black shadow. Tap the muted green onto your lips. Line your waterlines with black. Braid your hair and add a hat and you are done. Thank you guys so much for watching today. I know you have a huge selection to choose from here on YouTube, and I'm so very grateful each and every time you choose to watch one of my videos. I'll see you next time.